Spice farmer friend RT Bar says Spice is ungrateful.
Spice ungrateful and bad mind. You talk about Spice rich. Spice broke no blood clot. Spice still a pay mortgage. And the house at Atlanta now in her name. Spice still a pay for the Jaguar. Because the Jaguar payment.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
So from yesterday, I see that story go around the social media circuit. So it look like RT Boss. And if you don't know RT Boss, you know what I mean, him is an artist, also a spiritual advisor on Facebook and Instagram, and is said to be Spice spiritual advisor also. Him say that, right? Him say him El Spice forget where she is today and they had a deal. So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So he did a few lives, you know, on Facebook mostly, and him go live on Instagram also, and him attack people, you know, me hear voice notes and them thing they are grown too. So I have one of the clip where him go live when him dep on a plane this morning on Instagram. So let's check out that one here, hear what he must say.
Type it on YouTube or you go on RT Boss. A 3 video me lego. You go over RT Boss. RT Nardo Smith. RT Nardo Smith over Facebook. You see everything. RT Nardo Smith over Facebook. All of the receipt them over there. RT Nardo. Some of you know.
Alright, good morning.
I run off on the mouth. Go over RT Nardo Smith Facebook. All of the receipt them there. Everything one want need to know. Me post them in the video by talk. Go on over there. Me coming back over here, so because I'm going to some receipt, but I have most of my followers them over Facebook. So most of the talking I go done over Facebook, because I don't really have no followers over here, so on Facebook my followers them there. So if you want to keep up with the latest, you have to go find RT Nardo Smith Facebook page and watch my video them and hear what me I say. Me not tell no lie, me have all my receipt them. Go and go watch the video them. Me. Besides, say, me put that crown up on her head. Me make she known as the queen of dancehall. The baby father don't tell you. Remember say I run ladies I for run if you know. Remember ladies I come on Twitter and say she have to run if it give them, you know, because them are Obeah, you know, she don't want them kill her, you know, so she go run if it, you know. She come and she say, me don't want them kill me feet, you know. Because ladies I did that too much. So me have to put fire under ladies I make she run away. Because ladies I did wicked to her. No, my judgment must beat me one day. God must beat me one day. But when you say you love somebody, you help them. Ask Ramesh why he can't get the collab. When she go on the collab for what she asks, she say, go on. On my Facebook, you will see.
We're going to get back to that video in a second, but let's talk about what he said on his Facebook. Now the video them long, so may I just summarize for you and telling you what I'm saying. And basically say everything yes so, you know what I mean, but in more detail with it on him Facebook. So I must say the agreement between him and Spice was, you know, in 2011 him start help her and him tell her say him gonna make her the queen of the dancehall. But the only thing she have to repay him is 2020 she have to help him busting her music. And must say Spice write song for him, but you know what I mean, right now Spice now acknowledge him like Spice make it and forgot about him, and him a human being and him have feelings too, so him a come talk. So let's get back into the video and hear what he must.
The baby father a cool it. The baby father a cool it. One of the pitney them wrong daddy. Me know everything. Me know everything. Go on Facebook if you don't want to know. The girl treat me like shit and bury me under it. All the one from Putte, she don't need to itch up around Spice because Spice not do nothing for you. Spice ungrateful and bad mind. You talk about Spice rich. Spice broke no blood clot. Spice still a pay mortgage. And the house at Atlanta now in her name. Spice still a pay for the Jaguar. Because the Jaguar payment. So never talk about rich. Rich people not pay mortgage. Rich people not trust vehicle. Rich people not put house in a name when it belongs to you. Me have file and bill and receipt. The girl are wicked. The girl treat me bad. Some money I say to me some money I say I hype I look. Me not look hype. Remember the baby father first come say me the Obeah man. Me never say nothing to the baby. Me never run with the baby father. When me go up on Winford and Winford question me never answer Winford. Go now. Alright. Never go away now. Guy plane I go leave. I'm gone. See plane I go leave.
So people in the year some way must say when they go up and Winford and Winford ask him about the Spice thing. I wanna know them rumor I have been around say Spice and RT Boss or work some kind of magic. Me just I use magic, you know hear the words them when I say. And I hear him say Obeah man, you know what I mean? I always hear the boss a spiritual advisor. So him say Obeah man a while ago when you can play it back on earphone itself. Now people, when him dep on him Facebook, I watch some of the videos and I hear what him say. Him say in the onstage interview, Winford asked him say what's the relation between him and Spice, cause you know what I mean the talk a go around and thing, and him as a Spice and him friend. So basically him say him cover for Spice in that part because him never exposed her at the time, right? But now him a put out everything out there. So him a say alright then Spice write some song for him, but him did have to blackmail Spice. Him tell Spice say anyhow she not help him and give him 2 songs, him a go put out her business, meaning say him a go tell the world about what him a tell the world right now, right? Another thing he said him help Spice with the audition for Love and Hip Hop, like him go give her some bath, some cleansing something for, you know what I mean, before she did the audition for Love and Hip Hop. Now people, this is his words, you know what I mean, I might not say word for word verbatim like he said it, but generally I see him thing himself what me I say, and it's on his Facebook. You can go over there. Remember him said the Facebook is RT Nardo, so you can go over there and you can watch the live them and you can understand better, right? But people, I want to know what you think about this. You know what I mean? A lot of people are beat him and I say him a look at hype, and him even mention it and I say people are say him a look at hype, but him a say him not look no hype, him just have a deal with Spice and Spice now live up to fair part of the bargain. So more I know what you think about this whole thing, you know what I mean? Get in the comment section and tell me. And so far when me dep on him Facebook and I read the comments them, you have people where I side with him and you have people where defend Spice. So you know what I mean? And I like everybody has a Spice or everybody has a him. You know what I mean? There's a dynamics between what go on. But when you know Spice there, Spice might never answer to this or she might give it a answer. You know what I mean? We don't know what go on yet. But you know what I mean? Let's see where this story goes. So people, that's me I go leave it. So wanna just tell me what you feel about this story, right? So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now, everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Do the right thing at all times. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.